Assalamualaikum dear students, this is your lecture number 2, chapter number 1 for class 5th. Please open page number 3. Students, today we will learn about pollination and types of pollination. So let's start. Pollination. What is pollination? The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is known as pollination. If there is no pollination, there are no fruits and seeds to eat. Pollination is a very important part of the cycle of plant. Insects, birds and the wind take pollen between flowering plants, which means the plants can make seeds and reproduce. Types of pollination. So students, there are mainly two types of pollination: self-pollination and cross-pollination. As you see in this picture, self-pollination takes place in the same flower falls onto the stigma of same flower. In cross-pollination, pollen from one flower falls onto the stigma of the some other flower of same kind. सेल्फ-पॉलिनेशन में पॉलेंस इस फ्लावर के स्टिग्मा पर गिरते हैं, जबकि क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन में एक फ्लावर के पॉलेंस दूसरे फ्लावर के स्टिग्मा पर गिरते हैं. ये एक ही किस्म के फ्लावर होते हैं. न्यू प्लांट्स आर यूजुअली ग्रोन फ्रॉम सीड्स. नए पौधे जब उगते हैं वो बीज की मदद से उगते हैं. एज वी नो दैट न्यू प्लांट्स ग्रो फ्रॉम सीड्स, सम प्लांट्स प्रोड्यूस सीड्स. These seeds or plants are not fully grown when they are separated from their parent plant. Some of the seeds grow successfully and some other may destroyed or wasted to unfortunate conditions. इस पर focus. See page number 4, seeds germination. Now students, let us see how germination of a seed takes place. Germination is a process in which a new plant grow from a seed. As you see here on this picture, from a seed a tiny plant starts to grow step by step into a bigger plant. See page number 6, stages of seeds germination. Soak some gram seeds in water. Compare them with dry gram seeds. You will observe that a soaked seed is swollen because it has absorbed water. Its seed's coat has also become soft. Now put these soaked seeds on a piece of wet cotton gauze tied over the mouth of a jar. You will see a tiny root coming out of the soft, moist seed coat. Later, the shoot also comes out. The root grows downward and the shoot grows upward towards the sunlight. The seed at this stage is called a seedling. Dispersal of fruits and seeds. Now students, let's learn how the seeds are spread around the field. The process of this spreading of seed and fruit is called dispersal, or the nature has arranged some agents to scatter these seeds. They carry fruits and seeds away from their parent plant. Now let's start your home assignment. Add copy. Mention date. Chapter number 1. Write question number 1. Define the following. Number 1, pollination. Number 2, self-pollination. Number 3, cross-pollination. Pollination. Mention heading with neat and clean writing. Pollination. Pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma by a process is called pollination. Number 2, self-pollination. Pollens of the flower falls onto the stigma of the same flower. Draw diagram of self-pollination in front of heading self-pollination with labeling. Heading number 3, cross-pollination. The pollen of the flower falls onto the stigma of some other flower but of the same kind. Draw diagram of cross-pollination in front of heading cross-pollination. You can take help from book page number 3. Next, question number 4. What is germination? What conditions are necessary for germination? Answer: the development of a seed into a seedling is called germination. Water, air, and warmth are necessary for germination of seeds. This is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework before next lecture. Allah Hafiz.